Just got out the gym. Publix. I got this last week, so I'm pretty good on it, I think. I don't want any more. Yeah, for the most part, no coffee. And I don't want any cereal today either. So, not really much of the sushi option. Got some of these last time. Freaking love flaky biscuits so much. Put these into the basket. I wanted to get some more sweet potatoes because I ate some today. The way I made them was really, really good. Let's see. I might as well just get some of these. Yeah, I might as well just get some of these because I was looking at these. I was like, I might as well just get some of these. That might be fine. Let's see. Okay, go find the bag. Because I took some from mom earlier, so thought I'd give it back. I've never seen these before. Oh my gosh, these are huge. It's kind of like the Popeye, the Dr. D. These are really good too, the health aid. I've always been curious about, you know, these little wellness shots. I mean, no. Just mango? Buy one, get one free? 9? And it comes with 2? Sure, why not? It's pretty good. I'll get some of these too. Fresh mozzarella on top of it. It's already sliced. Didn't try this one yet, so ginger lime. Let's grab 2 of those. I'm not really into cherry limeade like that, but maybe I'll just take the last root beer. And you gotta get one more, so we'll just get the raspberry rose. Why not? Alright, I think that's it for this trip, so I'm gonna go check out and then we're off. Secured the bags. Publix little run. Dinner, bud. Do not get my food. You better not. Okay, go lay down. Go lay down. Go lay down. Go lay down.
Do that. So yeah, while she was swimming, I tried to make her.